in her face. The mirror of your dreams.
Hey y'all, it's me, Sasha Morales, and I'm coming at y'all with a easy little DIY, and it is spooky baskets. Wow, who would have thought? Let's just get started. This, and I'm gonna put it at the bottom of each of the buckets or the pails or whatever. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna make is kind of like a spa or like self-care type of thing. So what I got for that, honestly, I was talking way too much. I got a lotion, I got some nail polish, I got some nail polish remover, some nail funding, and some socks. So yeah. So this is the first one I'm gonna do. Get y'all out of my way. So I got this pail for my friend. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is put the socks in the back like this. Then, oh, I bought these stickers. They are literally so cute. I don't care what nobody says. They're so cute. So I'm gonna put the nail polish remover here. Oh. The nail polish could be in the middle, but I want to put some of this to make it stand taller. And then I'll put the stickers in the front like this, and then a Kit Kat, you know? So this is an easy, simple one, you know, nothing too crazy, nothing too much, but it's still cute. This is my next one. It's a little tiny cauldron. It's for my sister, actually. It's still Harry Potter. It's a Hermione, so I'm gonna put her first. And I got her these Krabby Patties. I hope she still likes these. I get it like this. And I have some kitty stickers because she loves cats, even though they're diamonds. But we were watching this video of this cat, and it was like literally like sticking its tongue out because of one of these combs. So I'm gonna put that in here. Kind of something funny. Can you see my bed? If you can see my bed, I'm sorry. I am doing laundry right now. But guess what? That's life. Grown up. You know, my sister's very iffy on things that she likes sometimes. Like sometimes she likes things and sometimes she doesn't. What is it? Oh, this is the one. So yeah, so this is cute, simple, easy. So I have a friend, she doesn't really like candy, but she likes chocolate, so I got in here. And then I got 2 stickers for her. I also got a chapstick, a pack of gum. And something else that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna incorporate a mask, because you know, it's COVID time. And I think the gum would go well with it, because you know, we'd be having our mask on and it's just like this, and you just have your breath and you like the ghost. You can't really see it, but I'll show at the end. So this is a simple one. This is for my mom. Honestly, it's not made up too much because she told me she saw this and she liked this, so I was like, I should just make her a small one. So I got some chips she likes, some candy she likes, and I put some stickers. This is for a more masculine person, you know, before, you know, not necessarily all the cutesy stuff. With this charger, this wireless one, so you can just put your phone on it and it just... Once again, I'm talking way too much, but I basically got them their favorite candies and some chips, some stickers, and oh my god, they're little pumpkins. That's so cute. I didn't notice that. And I have these roll of stickers from a show that my friend likes, SpongeBob. So me and my friend we're just really involved with this product, you know. And then I got this. So what I use this with, it's for cars, you know, like, you know, cars get dusty on the top and stuff. And so I have these bags, like goodie bags. So what I'm gonna do is, with all the stuff that doesn't fit in the basket, I'll just throw in one of these and be like, oh, it's a cute little addition. Ooh, it's like iridescent. Okay, great. This is how I sorted it. It's not the most pleasing, but I'm pretty sure they'll still be grateful. And I also got these for my mom as well. She likes circus peanuts. I got the last pickle at the dollar store. I was so happy, y'all. I'm putting the socks in the back like I did for the other one. And I got these Oreos, which I'm gonna put, right. Actually, I'm gonna put it back with the socks as well. Then I have another ghost lollipop. There's this one. Party in the back. This is in the front. I also bought these fake little skulls to put in here because, you know, spooky. Some of them are like simple and some of them are a little bit more complex. Okay, then I got these like filler candies. They're sour straws or sour crunches, and I put that in all of them. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, so I'm on like my fitness journey. Like I'm really trying to really stay fit. So this is the first one that I made. I think it's pretty cute, to be honest. Simple, easy. Then this is the other one that I made. Still cute, simple. Then this one. There's this one, which I really like. It's very stuffed. I know it doesn't look that cute, but I swear it still is. And this is the one I made for my sister. This is the one I made for my other friend.
So
pretty! I'm sorry, you missed me too.
Well, it's happening.
Go, go!
Mom, I love you. No, maybe that cat was on crack. These are all of them together. Honestly, you don't have to go super crazy with spooky baskets. Obviously, if it's someone who's significant to you or someone who, you know, likes techie stuff, you can always add that stuff. Like I did the charger, you can buy people video games, shoes, whatever you want. You do you. But I think I like these simple ones. And these are more cost efficient just in case you're not like trying to break the bank but still trying to have something cute for your friends. So go ahead, go out there and make one because honestly it's pretty fun. I get really excited like thinking about all the stuff that my friends like or family like, you know. So yeah, well this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching me stuff some pails, some buckets. But yeah, I hope you guys have a splendid day. This video, give it a thumbs up, please subscribe if you're not already, but yeah, have a good day. Till next time, bye.